Hello everyone, welcome to another video of this revision series. In this video, we will talk about sleep and EEG. EEG means electroencephalogram. The term was first coined by German psychiatrist Hans Burger. The recording electrodes in EEG are placed over the scalp, and the recording obtained by the placing electrodes directly on the cortex is known as electrocorticogram. However, during electroencephalogram, unipolar or bipolar leads are placed over the scalp, and the activity of brain or cortex is mainly graphically represented in various waves of electroencephalogram. The waveform in the EEG is possibly due to the alternating increase and decrease in the electrical activity in the cerebral cortex, and it is presumed that the EEG waves are due to oscillating currents in the cortex and oscillating activity between thalamus and cortex. So, the various types of waves found in EEG are alpha, beta, gamma, delta, and in children, theta. Alpha wave has a frequency of like 8 to 13 per second, and it is found during relaxed and awake state but with mind at rest and closed eye. That is, when an individual is going to sleep. In this condition, when there is relaxation and mind is at rest and obviously closed eye. Beta rhythm has more higher frequency like 18 to 30 per second, and it is found in awake state. Gamma rhythm is highest frequency wave. It is 30 to 80 per second, and it is found during working with rapt attention like solving a problem or doing an calculation, etc. Delta wave has lowest frequency like 4 per second, and this is found during sleep or some organic brain damage. And in children, theta rhythm are found which has frequency like 4 to 7 per second, that is near the delta rhythm. Now the sleep cycle. Okay, another important thing is the pinnacle importance of EEG. It is mainly done during localized cortical lesions which may produce irregular waves or slow waves, and that can be detected in EEG. And it is also helpful in diagnosing different types of epilepsy. Now coming to the sleep cycle. Sleep cycle, when a person goes to sleep, he passes first through various stages of non-rapid eye movement sleep and thereby enters into the rapid eye movement sleep, and finally the cycle reverses to the non-rapid eye movement sleep. Thus, every cycle constitutes 90 minutes, and thereby a person experiences 4 to 5 cycles during the whole sleep time. Now the stages of non-rapid eye movement sleep. Stage 1. During stage 1, it is found there is high frequency, low amplitude waves. During stage 2, there is sleep spindle occurs. Stage 3 shows low frequency, high amplitude waves, and stage 4 shows largest and slowest wave. During rapid eye movement sleep, there is low voltage, high frequency waves replaced with this longest and slowest wave. But the high frequency wave does not mean the sleep is light. Rather, the sleep is tight and the threshold for arousal is increased.